Welcome back everyone. Your Xbox Series X or S may be having some massive issues where the fan is just randomly going up like crazy, and it doesn't really matter what you do, you can't seem to actually, decrease the fan sound. Now the first thing I would recommend doing, as I've been saying in my other videos, is to 100% make sure that that fan has enough room to breathe. So what does that mean? Well, you want to give enough space from the back where the fans are of this console to, where your specific console is going to be placed. So with some of the Xbox Series X and S's, they obviously have the fans in different spots on both those consoles. So wherever you're placing this console at, if it's, in a tight TV stand or something like that, you may want to go ahead and move into a spot that has a little bit more room to breathe. From my experience, that's been one of the easiest ways to essentially cool down your console and to get more air intake into that console so it can breathe nicely and it won't have any issues there. From my experience, that's been the number one way to pretty much fix this issue, and you probably won't even have to do anything else. Now, if that doesn't fix it, and if you just recently bought your Xbox, well, there may have been some dust or something stuck within that, console in the first place, especially if you're buying it used and if you're watching this a couple years from now. So you may want to go ahead and actually double and triple check those air vents in those Xboxes, and you may want to go ahead and get a can of compressed air and pretty much just clean out the vents of that specific Xbox. Like I mentioned, in my experience, this has been another way to pretty much just clean out that console and to pretty much get better air to intake into that console in the first place. Now, another thing you can do is place your Xbox in a cooler environment. If it's in a very hot room, you can have some issues there. Another big thing you can do is to pretty much update your Xbox as well. So you want to make your way over to your Xbox settings, and you just want to go ahead and go into your software panel, and you just want to update your console to the most recent version of, software available. And a majority of the time, this may end up fixing it for you. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.